we have copied the table in our employee table. Now your employee table, you got it, employee table here. You can write select star from that employee table to see all the records inside that. So select star from your employee table. Let me copy this and you can run this. So you can see all the table here. Now let us imagine that you have millions of records here. For practice we are just taking 10. You have millions of records. From this we are creating a different layers of table. For example, I want to do a group by. Let me zoom this. I want to do a group by, like I want to see the salaries based on the country column. So I'll just write select country comma sum of the salary column as total salary from employee table group by your country column. Okay, so if I run this, so you will get a result set that is group aggregated data with the sum of total salary and the country detail here. Now I want to store this result set, or I want to store this in a new table. So you can do that by using a CTAS statements. CTAS is create table as select. So with the help of CTAS statements you can do that. So how to use a CTAS statements? So we just write create table. I'll just call this as an aggregated data, aggregate gold data as select star from whatever you are saying. So just select this and execute. So now you can see here we got only one employee table here. When I run this, you should register a new table called as an aggregate gold table. So this is an aggregate gold table, and from here you can just start querying it. Select star from your aggregated gold table. So let me write aggregate gold table. Let me select this and execute. Yeah, so this is how you can create a new table by using a CTAS in Snowflake. I hope you enjoy. So if I want to create a view, so I'm just writing create view name as select. So let me click on select this and run. Yeah, so you can see view is also successfully created. Now we had only tables and stages. So let me just refresh. You should have a view inside this. So you got a aggregated view. So view is like a virtual table. There is no storage for this. There is no space allocated for this. And for table, this is your regular table where all your size is allocated. You can just see the difference here. So for this you have a size of 1 KB. For your employee table you have a size for 2 KB. Just imagine, from 2 KB we have reduced it to 1 KB, and in the aggregated view you do not have any size allotted for this view. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning.